Welcome to Bitcoin Daily. Today we are looking at DinoPark. DinoPark today 30% profit gains. It is just a couple of hours online. It's an interesting project, quite nice project I think. But let's have a look together. Where can you buy this token on ApeSwap? ApeSwap is like PancakeSwap. It's all their token is on a Binance Smart chain, so you can buy this on ApeSwap right now. Let's have a look on DinoPark, what it is. My profile. Welcome to the world of Dino. It's me, Just Dino. After a few months of my adventure around the Dino world, I've come back with something special for you. So let's see what it is special. I found a magical egg of my kind during my adventure and I want you to have it. I sell it to you only for the sake of your friendship. Let me introduce you to these dino eggs. Okay. Now it's not much coming anymore, but I think here's more behind this dino egg. If you look here on farming, they have your farm pool. For sure you have to connect your wallet. You have to buy first DINOP or the DINOP token, right? And here, if you look, they have another special thing here on the website, my DINOBOT. So what is that exactly? You can see a craft your own DINOBOT. So get a Dino box. What is that actually? So I think they made here a small game out of this DinoPark, DinoBot battle. You can see here, welcome to DinoBot battle, a place where you can enjoy battles and earn rewards. At the same time, we have a variety of arenas for all Dino masters who seek some interesting challenges. Get your DinoBot and enjoy the battles. So I think they make here a one-on-one fight, a dino fight. You can see coming soon battles, okay, in different arenas. The winner get experience and a DINOP tokens, and the losers just get experience. I think you can buy here your own DinoBot. Yes, your own DinoBot. Create it on your own wish and pump it up, maybe with experience and maybe some, here's some special items. Hulk, for example. Here you have the full suit of one DinoBot, and you can have here many different varieties of it. Very interesting. So you can earn here, for example, DINOBOT token if you battle against each other in the Dino arena. So that means maybe it's just automatic battle. It depends how much strong your DINOBOT is right now, but I think it's a nice idea. So you have viewers who earn money, who earn the DINOBOT tokens. You have people who interact with their DINOBOTs, and you have your whole community around these DINOBOTs. Available item, it's not loading very fast right now. And you have not only these DINOBOTs, you have also here a lucky pool. I think it's like a lottery, so you can win here more DINOP tokens. Yes, and coming soon we have your marketplace and the breed. You can contact them on Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, and here they also have some documents. Okay, but I think it's a nice idea. Why not? Why not creating a battle with DinoBots, a battle room for DinoBots, battle arenas for DinoBots, which can fight against each other, and people who are watching this fights earn automatically DINOP tokens, right? So it's a quite nice idea. Give it a chance, this project. It looks great, and I think the community is already strong enough to build it up. So what they say here, they are here on Gitbook also. 3% tax to pay DinoPark holders, 2% tax used to create DINOP BNB LP liquidity pool, 2% tax to a dev fund. So here's a little description about it. Telegram members, a healthy 3,437 members, 680 are online, and we have here Twitter followers, near 5,000 followers. So I think it's a nice idea. That's why we have already 30% price gaining up. And I think, why not? Why not have some fun with DinoBots and earn some money, right? So what do you think about this project? Is it a hit or a shitcoin? I think give it a chance. So let it be a hit. Don't throw all your money inside. But if you want to invest cryptocurrency and have some fun nearby, choose DinoPark. DinoPark have right now, a good solution to have fun with your cryptos, right? Your crypto DinoBots. Why not? So tell me what you think about this project. Leave me a like, subscribe. It will help me a lot to make more of this kind of videos. We will follow up here this DinoBot project or DinoPark project, and we will tell you more about in the future. Right now I can say hodl to the moon, make your profits, stay calm. The big highs, all-time highs will come again, and until then, see you later, alligator. Bye.